Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful pre-built rigs we've ever reviewed, the Panorama XL RTX 5090 gaming desktop PC. Before we jump into the performance breakdown, make sure to check the link below to grab this monster today at a limited time discounted price. You won't find this level of power easily, and definitely not at this value. Let's start with the build. The Panorama XL looks stunning right out of the box. The case design is aggressive but sleek, loaded with RGB lighting, tempered glass panels, and excellent airflow. It's built for serious gamers, content creators, and power users who need both performance and style. There's no compromise here, it screams premium from every angle. Under the hood, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950x3D is an absolute performance king. With ultra-high boost clocks and massive multi-threading capabilities, this processor handles gaming, 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking with ease. It's built on AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, so it's not just fast, it's also efficient and future-proof. Now let's talk about the GPU. This machine comes equipped with the legendary NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, the latest flagship in the RTX 50 series lineup. This graphics card isn't just built for ultra settings, it's built for beyond 4K gaming, ray tracing at full detail, AI upscaling with DLSS 4.0, and running intensive software like Unreal Engine, Blender, or Adobe Premiere Pro without breaking a sweat. Whether you're gaming or creating, the RTX 5090 turns every task into a smooth, real-time experience. The 192GB of DDR5 RAM is next level. It's not something you typically see in even high-end systems. This ensures zero bottlenecks, no matter how many Chrome tabs, VM environments, or professional workloads you're running. And with 4TB of blazing fast NVIDIA GeForce SSD storage, your boot times and game loads are near instant. Plus, the extra 10TB HDD gives you massive room for raw files, backups, or a huge game library. Connectivity is future-ready too. You've got Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, multiple HDMI and DisplayPort options, and plenty of high-speed USB ports for peripherals, external drives, or VR setups. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you the full feature set for both work and play. When it comes to real-world usage, this machine doesn't just deliver, it dominates. AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or Elden Ring run at max settings effortlessly, even at 4K 144Hz. If you're a streamer, this rig can handle streaming, gaming, and background tasks simultaneously without dipping frames. For creators, exporting large 4K video files or rendering 3D scenes happens in a fraction of the time it would on lesser rigs. This is more than a gaming PC, it's an elite workstation, a content creation powerhouse, and a future-ready investment all rolled into one. If you're someone who needs top-tier performance with zero compromises, the Panorama XL is hands down one of the best systems you can buy in 2025. So, if you're ready to take your gaming or creative workflow to the absolute next level, check the link in the description below and grab yours before this offer ends. Like the video if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense tech reviews, and let me know what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.